Got to be very quick.
Ready? Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be a pretty chill one. I'm just filming on my vlog camera. I don't have my lighting set up, so if it goes light and dark in here, I do apologise. But for today's video, I'm going to be testing out a few bits and bobs that I've seen on TikTok. So some of them are hacks, some of them are recipes, some of them are just things I want to try out, and I thought I would go ahead and film it for you guys. So without further ado, I'm just gonna start trying stuff. Okay, the first one I'm gonna try I saw on someone's page called Mike Scones, or Scones, however you want to say it. What he did was he put the Whirlpool filter onto his TikTok and then tried to pour milk into a cup. Now, I don't fancy getting milk everywhere, so I'm just gonna do it with water. I'm gonna be a little wimp and I'm gonna do it with water so that it's easier to clean up. Oh my goodness, I don't even know how to... Like here? No? No? Wait. Oh wait, I think I got a bit in. Wait, is this in? That is ridiculous. So I made a little bit of a mess. Genuinely thought some of it would go all over the floor though, so kind of happy with how that went. I also don't feel like I did that bad. Okay, I think you guys should try this and then let me know in the comments how long it took you to actually get it in the glass. I feel like I was going in circles there, but I got it in. So let me know how long it takes you to get it in. And yeah, I'm gonna clean and we're gonna move on. Okay, it's sunny for the next 2 seconds in the UK, so I'm gonna try and film this as quick as possible. That bee is huge. Come this way, I don't like that. Okay, so I'm sure a ton of you have seen the Coke and Mentos thing. Everyone I seem to watch did Diet Coke, so I bought some Diet Coke. I'm sure you've seen it. You put the Mentos in the Coke, it explodes. But I saw a girl do it where she tried to keep her mouth on the bottle. I just thought I'd try it. I've never even put like Mentos in Coke before, but we're gonna go for this. And I just hope these are the right Mentos and Diet Coke is acceptable. Quick, it's gonna rain. How many do I do?
Whole pack.
I can't do a whole pack. However many I can get in there.
Calm down.
How many do you think I can get in there before my mouth needs to go around the bottle?
I don't know, you gotta be quick.
So
got to be very quick.
Ready?
Yeah. What just happened? Didn't even get your mouth over it.
I did not think this through.
You should have put your mouth on it and then dropped them in. I
should have put my mouth on it and then dropped it in. We'll come back to this one.
Aftermath.
I'm in quite a bad way. That was not a good idea. That really hurt. Right, we're doing something else. So for this one, I don't really know how this one works, but this one could be even worse than the last one. So for the next one, I'm gonna put a clip of the girl doing it, but she basically put baking soda in a ketchup bottle, shook the bottle, and things happened and Nick's walking backwards.
Well, is that gonna explode?
Oh no. How do I get it in there?
Is that gonna explode?
I don't know what's gonna happen.
But surely you've seen a video.
Well, yeah, but I don't think it will work. I feel like she did something extra maybe. And then she shook it like this.
Jazz, it's all over me. It's just...
It rained ketchup. It rained. Did you feel it coming
what's
down
on me?
from the sky?
It's on me. Yeah, it's on my head.
Is it on my head? Yeah,
it's all over your face. What do you mean? Look at the state.
Is it on my head?
Yeah.
I can taste ketchup. This is my ketchup bottle.
Oh, hang on. Is that our only ketchup?
No, I bought this just for this. So that one works. I guess I'm gonna... am I meant to film the rest of the video like this now?
I assume so, yeah.
Because, oops.
What are you doing now?
You pour paint onto a canvas and then you fling it in. Oh, it's silver. I thought it was white. Wow, it's looking pretty good. What do you think? That bee is back. Okay, we're just gonna let him pollinate, do his job. He's not gonna hurt us.
I don't trust that you're gonna fling it onto me. I know you are.
I'm very excited about this. I mean, it doesn't look great. I feel like maybe we should...
That's not bad.
Let's fill in these gaps.
Okay, don't throw it over the fence.
We're gonna throw it over the fence. You ready?
Yeah.
Ooh.
That wasn't...
better?
It was a terrible throw. It's with the foot.
No, I tried to spin it.
Oh, okay.
That looks better. Do you think I should do it one more time though? This bit in the middle just looks like a splodge.
No, I think leave it.
I think I should do it one more time.
No, I think that's good.
What do we think? It's got bits of grass all in it. So, there's that. So, for this one, we are going to try and make some dalgona, or I've never actually heard someone say that word. Maybe it's dalgona? Dalgona? I don't know. You know that special fluffy whipped coffee that everyone was making on TikTok? Apparently, you can make a strawberry Nesquik version. So it's not coffee, but it's like whipped the same. And I thought we'd just go ahead and try it. So for this, you need Nesquik, strawberry, although I'm assuming you could do it any flavour. We've gone with strawberry, and some double cream, or in the US, some heavy cream. I do believe they're the same thing. 2 tablespoons of the Nesquik, and then a half cup of the cream. This is a 1/4 cup, so I'm going to do 2 of these. We're going to whisk it with my brand new electric whisk because I got tired of making things without an electric whisk. And I'm going to pour it into this lovely little Nespresso cup. I don't actually think I've ever had Nesquik before. I don't know if that's weird or not, but I don't think I've ever actually had it. Wow. Ooh. Oh, and you put milk in here before you pour this into it. So the same as the coffee trick thing. Oh my goodness. I don't want to put it in the milk. I don't want to put it in the milk. I just want to eat it like this. Okay, are we ready? Oh boy. It is still kind of sitting at the top as just cream. But it's dissolving a little bit. It tastes like a milkshake. That's delicious. Also, I only found out last week, milkshake is blended ice cream. Didn't know that. Did not know that. Didn't know it. Okay, we are in my car, and for this next, I wouldn't call it a hack, but it's a thing you might not know about your car. And apparently this visor thing that you use to block the sun, you can either use it here or you can use it here, but apparently you can slide it back. So, well, mine does not slide back. Okay, I'm gonna jump in Nick's car. We'll see if Nick's can do it. Okay, I'm in Nick's car, which is much more high tech. So if this is gonna work somewhere, it would be this car. So I'm gonna pop this out. Oh, hopefully I don't break his bloomin' car. And then, no, it doesn't slide anywhere. It must just be some cars have that. Let me know if your car visor moves. Ours do not. Okay, if I have ketchup or paint anywhere, we're just going to ignore it. So for this next one, the guy filming it used like a regular 1 litre sized bottle of water. This is the only bottle of water that we have. So I figured I'm going to try it on this one. And the premise is you poke holes into the bottle using a pin. And the pinholes are so small air can't get in, which means the water can't come out because physics and stuff. Unless you squeeze the bottle or you open the bottle. So you're supposed to kind of make little pinholes in the bottle, nothing comes out, but then you write on it, do not open, and assume that someone will open the bottle or pick up the bottle and accidentally squeeze it and water will come out. So, okay, pin is in. No, that is really coming out. That just comes out. Maybe I just need to do a few more and then see what happens. No, it definitely comes out. Okay, this is not working. Wait, is it the style of bottle? In the video, he did it. What the water was coming out while he was poking holes. So I'm just gonna pray that that's what's meant to happen. And oh my goodness, this does not work. Okay, so I'm not too sure why it didn't work with 1 or 2 pinholes, but with more than 2, it's holding. There's no water coming out of the bottle. And then, if I open the bottle, it should start coming out. Oh, it went all on the floor. Okay, I'm pretty impressed with that. I'm clearly quite easily impressed. There is no water coming out of that bottle, but the second that you open it or you squeeze it, water starts spraying out. I do wish it came out a bit faster. I don't see myself using this for anything. If I put do not open on this bottle of water, Nick will see it, read it, and come to me and be like, why can't I open the bottle of water? He wouldn't just open it. But if you've got any younger siblings that are kind of rebels, then you could maybe do that, because that works. Okay, so for the next one, you need a rubbish bag, or if you're from the US, a trash bag, I think. And this is more of kind of a bet that you might make with your friends. So the premise is trying to blow the bag up in, I think it's 30 seconds. And there's a really easy way to do it, but if you were to hand it to someone, they'd probably do it the wrong way. So the trick is to blow the bag up under 30 seconds using only your mouth. So he said most people would try making a little hole in the bag, blowing into it, and then they wouldn't manage to do it, and then he does his little trick. So I'm gonna try blowing it up this way, and then we'll do his little trick. So. I mean, I feel faint, but I'm pretty sure I did it under 30 seconds, no? So now I'm gonna show you his little trick, which is to actually just open the bag up like this, and blowing in it should just fill the whole bag with air, which is madness, but we're gonna try it. I mean, it's quicker, but in 30 seconds I could technically blow it up the way he showed originally. So I feel like maybe he should have said in under 10 seconds or under 5 seconds. Okay, the next little hack, I'm very, very intrigued to see if this one works, and that is to get juice out of a lemon. So I've got this little lemon here. The lady in the video has a skewer. I don't have one of those, but I do have a food thermometer, which is pretty much the same thing. So she basically says you stick the skewer through the end of the lemon, squeeze it, and the juice should come out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and poke this in here. And she said to go all the way through, but not out the other side, like so. And then I should be able to squeeze this and lemon juice should come out, so. I mean, I'm squeezing. There is no juice coming out. Oh, there is, but it's not coming out like hers did. Gosh, how hard did she squeeze it? I mean, geez. Hers really, really shot out. Unless this lemon is just not a good lemon. Oh! If you give it a little roll first, this seems to work. So give it a little roll. And then ready? That's pretty good. What I will say is, I'm pretty sure there's a lot of juice left. Anyway, yeah, it definitely works. And you cut out the middleman of the lemon juicer. It's done. Amazing. Thumbs up. That is sour. Okay, so the next TikTok hack I'm really, really excited about, because I feel like when I have kids is something they'll absolutely love. So it's kind of on the same lines as a paper airplane, but it's not an airplane, it's just paper flying. We're just gonna try what he does with this piece of paper and see if it works.
Paper 2/3 of the way over, fold it again.
2/3 of the way over? That's not 2/3. That's not 2/3. We're just gonna copy. We're gonna hope for the best.
Fold paper 2/3 of the way over.
It's not 2/3.
Fold it again.
Fold it again. Put this into this notch here. Oh, no we're not. Excuse me, Mr. Man, how are you tucking this into this notch? What do you mean? So then he just chucks it and the thing flies. It did not fly. Okay. It didn't do too bad. This is genius! It almost went over the fence. Okay, I'm gonna play with my paper airplane a bit more. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and I will see you guys very, very soon. Love you, bye!